Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit Dasert filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light, bring the contrast +5, shadows +77, whites -25, blacks -64. Go to Curve, follow these settings. And go to Color Mix. First go to Red color and bring the hue +16, saturation -42, luminance -33. Next go to Orange, bring the hue -15, saturation -59, luminance -5. Go to Yellow, bring the hue -58, saturation -16, luminance -8. Next go to Green, bring the hue -34, luminance -19. Go to Sky Blue, bring the hue +10, saturation -37, luminance -51. Next go to Blue, bring the hue -35, saturation -77, luminance -38. Go to Purple, bring the saturation -13, luminance +21. Next go to Pink, bring the saturation -3, luminance -44. And done. Next go to Effects, bring the texture -12, clarity -11. Dehiz +5, Vintage -9. Bring the midpoint 41, Feather 56, round to 65. Go to Split Tone and bring the hue to 91 and saturation 10 for highlights. And bring the hue to 23 and saturation 5 for shadows. And done. Now go to Details, sharpening 10, detail 25. Noise reduction 7. Color noise reduction 28. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.